ngimoshile lapha ku TikTok. Bathi nina nifuna ukungikhansela. So, ngicela ningincede siqondise before basikhansela. Cela uxolo. Cela uxolo. Cela uxolo. Mangingazi ukuthi ngiyamu-ignora mina. Cela uxolo mangandile, ngikubone solo. Cela uxolo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosazana Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uzinqoma lo bekaperforma idolo tema kaperforma before qala performa wakhuluma nalama fans akhe ukuthi awuvile ukuthi bani bafuna kumkhansela after lokwendeke between yena Sisi and uThembisiyede. So she was saying ukuthi ucela ixolo wathena bekangati ngiyaxolisa nje manginonile, and people felt ukuthi ayibo nangumuntu asibhethela. So people started saying laphana ku TikTok ukuthi uyacelela why akhulume angalendlela. She's even making it worse njena ukuthi uThembisiyede yena utithulele akakhulumi lutho uthi makaziwe yena in a way yisaphakathi ngelena because of how she was saying it. Uthi Lady Lover, meaning she's worried. Of course she's worried. Nina nimtshela ukuthi Ntomshaya Scott maphuma nimkhanselene, ubonile naye ukuthi hayi cha andlali nina manithi niyamkhansela umuntu niyamkhansela. Uthi akayisuzwane, doesn't she have a PR team? Uthi Lerato Amakhubu, she's feeling guilty kesana, and people are saying ukuthi why yena nasesibalu bakhuluma ngalendzaba but defender kube uThembisiyede yena uthulile nangokuthi bantu bafila ngazuthi noma bakhuluma ngalendzaba bavele bakhulume ngayo sakucelela. So people are saying ukuthi ngazuthi nje naba umini nalusori. Uthi Khadi Ntuli, I'm embarrassed on her behalf. Uthi Mendi, she just made it worse. Uthi Shabangu yena wena Redlow Scott maphuma. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.